Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to remove the Bing and any other related images in the search bar on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on search menu, and then type mo lang dito yung Registry Editor, and then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. So before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest to create backup file. So anything go wrong, you could easily restore back. In order to create backup file, so dito lang sa taas ay select mo lang dito yung file, and then select mo lang dito yung export. So dito sa export registry file, ay select mo lang dito kung saan mo isi-save yung file, and then kailangan mo mag-create ng file name, and then mas maganda kung lagyan to ng date, and then click mo lang tong save. Ayan, kung gusto mo na itong i-import, so same procedure, dito lang sa taas, i-click mo lang tong file, and then select mo lang dito yung import, and then ilocate mo na siya kung saan mo sinave yung file. Ayan, so proceed na tayo. So ang next step ay, select mo lang dito yung HT local machine, and then next step ay, select mo lang dito yung software. So dito sa software, and then scroll down, at select mo lang dito yung policy, and then i-click mo lang tong arrow na to. And then next ay, select mo lang dito yung Microsoft. So, i-click mo lang tong arrow na to para mag-expand. And then dito sa Microsoft, and then next ay, select mo lang dito yung Windows. Okay? So, i-click mo lang itong Windows. And then, kailangan mo lang hanapin dito yung Explorer. Okay? So, kung wala naman, kailangan natin mag-create. Alright? So, dito sa empty space, kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then, select mo lang dito yung New. And then, select mo lang dito yung the-word 32-bit value. So, click mo lang yan. And then, dito ay kailangan lang natin i-rename. So, rename natin. Ayan. So, ito yung kailangan natin i-rename. Disable search box suggestions. And then, press mo lang enter. And then, dito ay kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And then, lalabas tong kanyang edit the-word 32-bit value. So, dito sa value data ay kailangan mo lang palitan yung 0 into 1. So, ibig sabihin ay disabled po siya. And then dito sa base ay select mo lang dito yung hexadecimal. And then click mo lang tong OK. And then close lang tayo dito sa registry. And then next ay dito lang sa start menu. And then select mo lang dito yung restart. Ayan. So, ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-fix ang get rid of Bing image in search bar on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.